There's many business processes in every industry that are really beyond human capability. You know, if you think of a retail merchant, for example, and they have to choose 500 items to promote on a weekly basis, if out of 50,000 items, you know, in 1 month, there's 10 to the power of 3,600 possible combinations of 500 products. That's way beyond human capability. That's more than the number of atoms in the universe. And so technology is very good at computing repetitive, complex calculations, and that's where the AI can step in and take over these processes that are beyond an individual's capability. We shouldn't be taking AI and replacing what people are good at. We should focus on things that are beyond human capability, that have a real economic and financial impact other than replacing what people do today. We need to leave room for ourselves to exist in this world, augmenting humans with a technology assistant that can do these super complex things. That's where we should focus, not focus on replacing what people are very good at, which is interacting with other people, being creative, ambiguous thinking where there's not a clear-cut mathematical quantitative answer, or situations where there's absolutely no data and we have to strike new ground. People should focus on that. Computers can do highly repetitive, computationally complex, mathematical, quantitative, repetitive things.